Are you tired of stubborn belly fat and looking for natural ways to shed those extra inches at home? Today, we will share simple and effective tips to help you reduce belly fat naturally, right from the comfort of your home. First, let us understand what belly fat is. There are two types: subcutaneous fat, which lies just under the skin, and visceral fat, which surrounds your internal organs. Visceral fat is particularly harmful and is linked to health issues like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. One effective way to combat belly fat is by making healthier food choices. Opt for whole grains instead of refined carbohydrates. Whole grains are rich in fiber, which helps you feel full longer and reduces overeating. Be mindful of added sugars in your diet. High sugar intake can lead to weight gain, especially around the abdomen. Check food labels for hidden sugars and choose natural alternatives when possible, including lean proteins like chicken, fish, or tofu in your meals can boost metabolism and reduce cravings. Pair these with high-fiber foods such as vegetables, fruits, and legumes to aid digestion and keep you satisfied. Drinking plenty of water is essential. Sometimes, our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to stay hydrated and support weight loss. Regular exercise is key to reducing belly fat. Incorporate both aerobic, exercises like brisk walking or dancing, and strength training to build muscle mass, which helps burn more calories. Do not underestimate the power of good sleep and stress management. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. High stress levels can lead to weight gain, so consider relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing exercises. Limiting alcohol intake can also help reduce belly fat. Alcoholic beverages are high in empty calories and can contribute to weight gain. Remember, consistency is crucial. Making small, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle can lead to significant results over time. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others looking to embark on a healthier journey.